Good morning, students. Yesterday we were learned the sums from combined set up to example 2.10. Today we are going to learn example 2.11. Thiagu has fixed a door for the entrance of his house, which is in the shape of a semicircle over a rectangle. The total height and width of the door is 9 feet and 3.5 feet respectively. Find the area of the door. First we have to look out the picture given here. The door is in the shape of rectangle and semicircle. So it is a combined shape. In the combined shape என்ன இருக்குன்னா ஒரு rectangle shape இருக்கு, ஒரு semicircle shape இருக்கு. இங்க என்ன given கொடுத்திருக்காங்கன்னு பாருங்க. The total height and width of the doors is 9 feet. Therefore the height of the door is 9 feet and the width of the door is 3.5 feet respectively. They asked to find us the area of the door. So the area of the door தான் நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். So we need the area of the rectangle and the area of the semicircle. Now we are getting to the solution. The first thing is the given thing. The door is made of semicircle and rectangular shape. First I said we need the area of rectangle and the area of semicircle. For the area of the rectangle, from sum we have the width of the rectangle is 3.5 feet. Width of the triangle is 3.5 feet. நம்ம சம்ல என்ன இருக்கு, அந்த ரெக்டாங்கிளோட அந்த width வந்து 3.5 feet இருக்கு, பட் அதோட length நமக்கு இல்ல. Therefore we need the length of the rectangle. How to find out the length of the rectangle? Therefore length of the rectangle, that is equal to 9 minus 3.5. 9 minus 3.5 எவ்வளவு வரும்? Therefore we need to subtract 3.5 from 9. Then we get 5.5. The units given here is feet. Therefore 5.5 feet. Therefore the length of the rectangle L is equal to 5.5 feet. Next they given here the diameter of the semicircle. The diameter of the semicircle எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்னா, இங்க பாருங்க, இந்த பிக்சரை பாத்தீங்கன்னா தெரியும். இங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா ரெக்டாங்கிளோட width semicircle-ஓட diameter இருக்குது. The width of the rectangle which is the diameter of semicircle. Therefore here they are also given the diameter of the semicircle, but we need the radius for the formula. Therefore diameter of the semicircle equal to diameter of the semicircle, that is equal to 3.5 feet. We need radius. Radius r is equal to, radius small r is equal to diameter 2 ஆல டிவைட் பண்ணிட்டோம்னா நமக்கு என்ன தரும்? Radius goes. Therefore 3.5 divided by 2. இந்த 2 ஆல 3.5 நம்ம கேன்சல் பண்ணோம்னா நமக்கு என்ன கிடைக்கும்? 1.75 நமக்கு கிடைக்கும். Therefore the radius of the semicircle r is equal to 1.75 feet. இப்போ நம்ம ரெக்டாங்கிளுக்கு நமக்கு ஏரியா கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்கான required things length and width நம்மகிட்ட இருக்கு. அது மாதிரி செமிசர்க்கிளுக்கு ஏரியா கண்டுபிடிக்க தேவையான ரேடியஸ் நம்மகிட்ட இருக்கு. Therefore the area of the door, that is equal to area of rectangle plus area of semicircle. இந்த டோர் வந்து ஒரு கம்பைன் ஷேப்பா இருக்கு. அதுல வந்து ரெக்டாங்கிள் செமிசர்க்கிள் இருக்கனால அதோட ஏரியா கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்னா நம்ம ரெக்டாங்கிள் அண்ட் செமிசர்க்கிளோட ஏரியாவையும் நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். Therefore the area of the rectangle formula L into B. Area of the rectangle formula என்னது? L into B plus area of semicircle formula is half into by r square. Half into by r square. Here now we find L also. Now we have the required formula, area of the rectangle plus area of rectangle and area of semicircle. Now we have to derive the values of the L and B. What is the value of L? We find L is 5.5. The value of B is 3.5. Then plus half into the value of by is 22 by 7 into R square. R square means R into R. Therefore, we have to represent the value R in twice. Therefore, 1.75 into 1.75. Now, multiply 5.5 into 3.5. We get 19.25 plus cancel here. 1 2s are 2. 11 2s are 22. So the remaining things are 11 into 11 by 7 into 1.75 into 1.75. Now I am going to cancel 7 and 1.75. 1 7s are 7. Here we have only 1. Next to 1 we have decimal place. Therefore, first we have to put 0 here. 0 and decimal value. 17. Then take the other two numbers 17. And the decimal எப்படி நம்ம கேன்சல் பண்ண உங்களுக்கு தெரியும். அப்புறம் என்ன செய்யணும், ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இருக்க 1 நம்மளால 7ஆல கேன்சல் பண்ண முடியாது. அதனால என்ன செஞ்சுக்கிறோம், ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 0 போட்டுக்கிறோம், அது டெசிமல் பாயிண்ட் எடுக்கிறோம். அதுக்கப்புறம் நெக்ஸ்ட் இருக்க 2 நம்பர்ஸ் நம்ம என்ன செஞ்சுக்கணும், சேர்த்து எடுத்துக்கணும். Now we have 17. 2 7s are 14. 2 7s are 14. 17ல 14 போயிடுச்சுன்னா ரிமைனிங் எவ்வளோ இருக்கும், 3. 17ல 14 போச்சுன்னா எவ்வளோ, ரிமைனிங் 3 இருக்கு, 35. அப்புறம் என்ன வரும், 5 7s are 35. 5 7s are 35 நம்ம தெரிஞ்சிருவோம். 0.25 இந்த கேன்சல் பண்ணா பண்ண 7ஆல 1.7 கேன்சல் பண்ணா 0.25 நமக்கு கிடைச்சிருது. நெக்ஸ்ட் 19.25 plus 11 into 0.25 into 1.75. Look at here, there is no denominators here, therefore we can multiply all the things. 19.25 plus 11 into 0.25 into 1.75, that is equal to 4.81. Now add these two, 9.25 plus 4.81, that is equal to 24.06 square feet. Therefore, the area of the door, that is equal to 24.06 square feet. Next we are going to see example 2.12. A key chain is in the form of an equilateral triangle and a semicircle attached to a square of side 5 cm as shown in figure 2.30. Find its area. Here pi that is equal to 3.14. The value of root 3 that is equal to 1.732. Here they were given one combined figure. That is a key chain which have one equilateral triangle, one square and one semicircle. Look at this picture. In this picture they were given the side of the square. One side of the square. You know all the 4 sides of square are equal. Therefore, the one side of square is the base of triangle, the breadth of triangle. Here, the one side of square is a breadth of triangle, and as well as one side of the square is a diameter of semicircle also. So, from the given figure, we can get some values. That is, side of the square first. Side of the square. Side of the square that is equal to 5 centimeter. Then diameter of semicircle. Then diameter of semicircle. What is the diameter of semicircle? Look at here. It is the diameter of semicircle. Therefore, the diameter of semicircle is equal to 5 centimeter. We need radius. Therefore, radius smaller, that is equal to 5 diameter divided by 2. 5, therefore 5 divided by 2. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4 remaining, 1, 5 2s are 10, therefore we get 2.5. Therefore the radius of the semicircle, that is equal to r is equal to 2.5 centimeter. Therefore radius r is equal to 2.5 centimeter. Then side of the equilateral triangle. Side of the equilateral triangle, that is equal to the side of the equilateral triangle, that is equal to 5 centimeter. Why? Because the breadth of the triangle is coincident with the square. One side of the square is the breadth of the triangle, as well as the triangle is the equilateral triangle. Therefore, the side of the triangle is 5 centimeter. Then what are the things are given in the sum? The value of bi is equal to 3.14, and the value of root 3, that is equal to 1.732. Now, what they are, find its area. The combined shape area kettukanga. Therefore, we need the area of the equilateral triangle, the area of the square, and the area of the semicircle. Therefore, area of keychain, that is equal to area of semicircle plus area of square plus area of equilateral triangle. Therefore, we need to find out the area of the semicircle, the area of the square, then area of the equilateral triangle. Finally, we have to add the area of the semicircle, the sum of the, we need the area of the keychain, that is equal to sum of the area of semicircle, area of square, and area of equilateral triangle. Therefore, here we are going to use the formula for area of semicircle, area of square, and area of equilateral triangle. What is the area of semicircle formula? The formula is half by r square. Half by r square. Then add plus area of square formula is a square plus the area of equilateral triangle formula is root 3 by 4 into a square. The formula. Now apply the values. 1 by 2. What is the value of by? The value of by is 3.14. What is the value of r here? The value of r is 2.15. Therefore, apply here 2.5 into 2.5 plus what is your a here? A is the side of the square. Therefore, a is 5. Therefore, 5 into 5 plus root 3 by 4. The value of here, the area, the side of the equilateral triangle is 5. Therefore, a is equal to 5. A square 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Now we are going to cancel. Here we have 2. 1 2s are 2, and cancel this. We can get 1.25. We cancel this. We will get 1.25. Then plus 5 5s are 25, and remaining things will be in next step. 3.14 into 1.25 2.25 into 2.5 plus 5 5s are 25. Here root 3 by 4 into 25. Now multiply 3.14 into 1.25 into 2.5, we will get 9.81 plus 25 will not be changed, that is 25 plus. Here we have 4 in the denominator, so we have to cancel 4 and 25. 1 4s are 4, 6 4s are 24, remaining thing is 1, therefore we will get 6.25 here. We know how to divide this. Therefore remaining thing will be root 3 into 6.25. 9.81 plus 25 plus root 3 value is 1.732. Root 3 value 1.72. Root 2 value is 1.732. Therefore, we apply the value of root 3 over here into 6.25. Now, multiply the product of 1.732 and 6.2 is 10.83. The remaining will be 9.81 plus 25 plus 10.23. Now sum of all these things, that is equal to 45.64 centimeter square approximately. Therefore, the area of keychain, that is equal to 45.64 centimeter square. Thank you, students.